Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows failed to start. A recent hardware or software change might be the cause in Windows. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Type CLAN. Type DIR. C is system volume. D is Windows volume. Type CD Windows, CD system 32. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. Type bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. Type CLAN. Type CD space, boot. Type attrib space, bcd space, -h space, -r space, -s. Type ren space, bcd space, bcd.old9. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd, type A. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.